Good morning, cyclists. Today is Friday, October 29th, 2021. Started a bike ride at 16 minutes after 11. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. Weather. Another windy day, but not quite as windy as yesterday. Temperature is 67 degrees. Wind is out of the northwest at 13 miles an hour with gusts up to 24. Fair. I don't see any clouds around. It's interesting what just a few degrees lower in the temperature. I bundled up a little more today. Got a long sleeve thermal jersey on underneath my jacket, leg warmers. So, today's route, I'm going to go north. I'm going to go into the wind for the first part of the ride. To FM 1485. And back. Probably 31 miles. I'm riding north on Gilbert or Kelly, parallel to the railroad tracks. Thank goodness for those trees blocking some wind. The wind is really strong. Not quite as strong as yesterday. But it's plenty strong. I'm going to East Martin Drive, where I'll turn left. Take that to the frontage road. The wind will really be strong when I get to the frontage road. Nothing to block it. Stopped at the cemetery to visit my wife's gravesite. It had some severe wind and dust north of FM 1314 on the frontage road. That was the strongest winds that I've had so far. I've been exposed. There was nothing blocking them, so it was a challenge. We got about 4 miles to get to the north side of Caney Creek and make the U-turn. Going to be more with the wind than against it. Time is 12:17 and I'm at 10.7 miles. Riding East Oak Community Drive was with the wind, so I got a little respite. But I'm going to turn left on the Loop 494 back into the wind. I made it to the north side of Caney Creek. Up ahead I'll make a right turn, go underneath US 59, back up to the service road, frontage road, and head south. Head west on Valley Range Parkway, away from US 59. See how the wind is with the new Caney Eagle flags. Still getting gusts from the other side now. Generally, once I head south, it's mostly a tailwind. Riding southwest on Valley Range Parkway, approaching FM 1314. Once I got south of the Grand Parkway, wind has generally been a tailwind, which I appreciate. fighting the headwind going north. Riding south on the US 59 frontage road, I cut through Auburn Trails to the frontage road. Up ahead, I'll turn right back into Oakhurst.